Any mention?
Yes, no mention. Very good.
I beg to mention item number 5, Your Lordship. The counsel for the petitioners, Mr. A. Goel, Lordship, due to personal inconvenience, is unable to appear today. Therefore, Your Lordship may take this matter up on another occasion.
What heard? Okay.
Yes, Your Lordship.
When?
Lordship may take this up after 2 weeks.
Where's the other side?
My lord, I am appearing for respondent number 2.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Any objection?
No, lordship.
Okay. Yes, 2 weeks, yes. Is it
Much obliged.
connected to item number 6? No.
Item number 5, Your Lordship.
Okay, yes.
Item number 1.
Yes.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, these are two linked matters. Item
Lordship, I'm sorry, Your Lordship.
I apologize, lordships.
It's fairly submitted by the council that is matters also. Accordingly, this is matter before the bench number 1.
Grateful, lordship.
Item number 3.
Lordship, this matter we are bring sometime, Your Lordship, for rejoinder, Your Lordship. Rejoinder, Your Lordship. In this
How many times you've taken
This is the
agenda?
second time, Your Lordship.
Second time? Yes. With Dr. Muzika.
Scrutiny on legs, Your Lordship.
This is second time, Your Lordship.
Final opportunity. Yes, Mr. B. Naitang prays for is allowed for the 2 weeks time to file. They joined. It's noted that this is the third occasion that time has been granted. Stop if expected next year. The rejoinder should be on board.
3 and 4 are connected.
Yes.
Hearing 5.
5 adjourned.
Item number 6.
Please, Your Lordship, this matter may be taken up at the end of the board, Your Lordship.
We already at the end of the board now.
Lordship, the conducting senior counsel is on his way. Lordship,
Yes, yes.
Lordship,
You have to
I'm
file with you?
yes,
Yes.
Lordship, I'm seeking accommodation, Your Lordship. 2 weeks time, Your Lordship.
From end of the board to see you already filed an argument. Yes.
Written argument we have not filed, but it is.
Lordship, we haven't.
But on the last several occasions, adjournment was taken. Otherwise, also.
You do one thing. You file your own submissions, and we'll post it after we once we oral submissions. Then we will hear what to do. Yes, here, Mr. D.P. Bora.
Yes.
That's a paper for 2 and 7. A prayer for adjournment has been made by Mr. E. Lalu due to the absence of the senior counsel arguing the matter. Stop. This court notes that written notes on submissions have been filed by the appellant. Stop. Mr. B.P. Appellant. Appellant stop. Next paragraph. Mr. B.P. Bora also prays that we are allowed to file
Written submissions.
written notes on submissions within 2 weeks. Yes, this up to 2 weeks for oral submissions and for filing of written submission.
7.
Yes.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, actually, the Learned Advocate General, he's on next, my lord.
Where is he
Leading the
on next?
matter before quorum number 1, my lord.
You don't know it's on like Supreme Court, Delhi High Court, Court number 1.
Before the High Court, my lord.
Who has replied? He has to reply today.
Lordship.
After some time, Dr. Saraf,
Yes, my lord.
what is no more matters in the list? Huh? Yes, just after some time.
8.
I want to close this matter.
8.
Seven, 8, 9, my lord.
7, 8, 9 here. After some time.
All right.
Sure.
10.
Yes. Yes.
May it please your lordships.
Yes.
Lordships, this matter is the 1026 matter.
Who's appearing for the respondent? Last day, so no appearance.
Mr. Pandey was appearing.
Who's appearing? Okay. You from 2511 and 160. So that's 17-2. Then before that, who's Mr. G. Chetri? Who's Mr. G. Chetri?
My lords.
Yes, Mrs. Majao. Who's Mr. G. Chetri?
Lordship is my colleague, Lordship.
Mr. Chetri, are you here in the matter?
No, lordships, he's in the connecting matter.
Lordship, actually, we have given assumption that will be no longer appearing for income
Mr.
tax.
Chetri
matter.
is associated with
Yes.
Mr. Pandey.
Yes, Lordship.
Then we have to issue fresh notice again to the Mr. Chetri, are you appearing in this matter?
No, lordships. There's a connecting.
Lordship, I am appearing only in item number 11, my lord.
Then someone has to take up this matter. There's no one appearing in this WBC number
Lordship,
487.
in that case, my lord, Lordship, let it be adjourned for 2 weeks, my lord. I will do the needful, Lordship.
What about the other matters that they are connected?
Lordships. They tagged along, lordships.
No, Lordship, that is different matter.
It's okay, Mr.
Item
Chetri.
number 11.
Mr. Chetia, whose present number, this is number 7.
This is 10, lordships.
Sorry, 10. Mr. Chetia, who's present on behalf of the respondents, says that he will have 2 weeks' time to obtain instructions as the earlier counsels have just recently handed over the brief. Yes, he has allowed this up to 2 weeks. Interim orders of any shall continue. Yes, 11.
Highly obliged, lordships.
I am aware.
11.
11 is connected, lordships.
Yes. Yes. What's the matter?
Lordships, 1026. Lordships may have this matter as well alongside the.
Correct, Mr. Chetia.
Lordships.
You hear what a submission? Yes.
Lordship, in this case, I am appearing for respondent number 2 and 3, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, they have challenged in, my lord, the notice issued, my lord, on 21/3/24 under section 148 of the Income Tax Act, my lord.
Yes. Have we availed of appellate forum?
No, lordships.
No, Lordship, they have not approached.
You have not gone before the principal commissioner also.
No, lordships.
Then because see the other 2 ladders of appeal, if you go think this IT-AT is there also. Because whatever order of assessments given, the assessing authority is different from the appellate authority.
Lordships.
They can take a fresh call on it. There are
Lordships.
many cases like this
Lordships.
where they, under 1026 also, the assessment orders are passed 148, 157 for deposit of the whatever assessed amount. Then from there they file appeal.
Lordships may kindly have
Even
this.
if you don't want to deposit 20%, you can file for exemption for principal commissioner, principal commissioner income tax also. He has a jurisdiction also to to exempt you from paying the 26 matter from paying the deposit amount before for furnishing the appeal.
Lordships.
And after that you have IT-AT. You don't have to take a class on this.
Lordships may kindly have this matter along with the other matter, lordships.
Yes, Mr.
after 2
Chetia,
weeks.
let them take instructions because otherwise they have alternate remedy.
Lordship, yes, Lord. Otherwise, Lordship, your Lordship has disposed of the similar cases, my Lord, where Lordship has dismissed writ petitions, my Lord, by saying that, my Lord, since alternative remedy is
Yes.
available, they have to approach my Lord.
Let them exhaust alternate remedy. So they change jurisdiction, well and good, but then alternate remedy has to be availed of. Anyway, you let them take instructions, this together after 2 weeks with the other matter.
Lord.
This MSKG Cruz
I know.
credit counsel for the writ for the petitioner, please him to obtain instructions for 2 weeks together with
WPC 487, Lordships.
you do research also.
Lordships.
Yes.
Highly obliged, Lordships.
Second
I'm
call.
on that.
Second call 7.
Yes. There's a fixed item.
It appears he's still on next, my lord. He's leading the matter.
Dr. Saraf, there's some roadblock because he's still occupied and he has to reply.
My lord.
What to do? He'll post on Thursday. He'll be available.
Thursday আমার আছে না কোর্টে
আছে
Thursday my lord there's some matters are fixed up.
Next week, my lord, subject to my lord's
Next week we're having holidays. 31st is a holiday. We can have a
First here it is a working day.
Yes, here's a working day, but out here's a holiday. A High Court holiday. Oh, 31st? What is it?
Okay.
Holiday. 30th first holiday.
Compensatory holiday?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then we'll have it on the second. Second.
Second my lord.
Yes. Due to
But
unavailability
not
of
to
the
ensure that,
Yes.
my lord Leonard and Govind to ensure that at least
If he's not available, someone else will to take the up the matter. Yes.
my lord that's fine.
Adjournment has been sought again today due to unavailability of the then Advocate General. Stop. Though the matters though the matter has been fixed, the matter is on as a fixed item. Stop. Be that it may, in the interest of justice, that the matter be adjourned to 2nd of April. It's expected next year, even if the Advocate General are available, alternate counsel should be present to argue the matter. Yes.
Lordships, I'm praying for extension of item number 7.
And 7.
Highly obliged.
7 and 9 my lord both. My lord.
Yes.
Any mention?
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 31. I've taken consent from the petitioner.
Who's the petitioner?
Sir Jindal.
No
Yes.
objection, Your Lordship.
No, you
2 weeks,
see,
Lordship.
this matter has become a dead matter.
Yes, Your Lordship. Its right is barred by res judicata, Your Lordship.
Where's your senior? And we can, with this matter, any purpose in pursuing it?
Well, the purpose is a finding of law is required from this honorable court as to the interpretation of the education rules, because what is happening here
Or
is
just a vindication?
my lord, beyond that also, if there is a finding in our favor, my lord, the matter comes in our favor.
Okay, yes. After?
2 weeks, Lordship.
Yes. Yes, make it quick.
May I please, Your Lordship? My Lord, I beg to mention item number 23. I'm praying for some accommodation, my Lord, 3 weeks. This matter is still pending before the Supreme Court, my Lord.
Okay. Yes.
May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 19, Your Lordship. I humbly pray for
19?
2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
19?
24, Your Lordship. Apologies, Your Lordship. 24, Your Lordship.
24. Yes.
I'm for respondent 5 and 6, my Lord.
No objection.
No objection, my Lord.
The Nokma matter?
Yes, Your Lordship.
No objection, Your Lordship.
Yes. Yes.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I'd like to make a mention of item 25, Lordship. So in this matter, we have to supposed to file an implement. So we need some time, Lordship. Freezing of account.
Yes.
Lordship.
Supplementary list item number 1.
Please, Your Lordships.
What is this?
This is a contempt against Your Lordship's direction. Lordship, I'll come straight to page 70. Page 70, 70. This pertains to land compensation regards to the border fencing at West Gentia Hills.
Yes.
Page 70, Your Lordship, there was an objection filed by the respondent number 3.
Who's respondent number 3?
In this writ petition, he was Arvind K. Sutunga.
Yes.
He had filed an objection claiming compensation. Your Lordship has directed the collector to dispose of the objection, not just even to look at his the maintainability of the objection and his locus also, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Now this order has not been complied, Your Lordship. No hearing has been conducted. No order has been passed till date.
Respondent number 3 still maintains objection, or he's...
Lordship, he maintains. He maintains. Lordship, after Your Lordship's order, then he files his claim at page 81.
But prima facie, he doesn't. He's a total outsider.
Exactly, Your Lordship. Page 81. After Your Lordship's order, he has filed this petition before the collector.
Yes. What does
Now,
he say?
Lordship, kindly.
He's an interested person.
Lordship, he's claiming that he's the aim of Sutunga, Lordship, and that he has some claim over the compensation. Now, based on this document, Lordship, Lordship, may kindly see his sole claim is at page 94, Lordship. Page 94. Along with this petition, he has submitted this document. This proclamation letter, Lordship, which has been issued. Now this document has not been signed, not been authenticated by anybody, nor his petition has been signed, Lordship. Can you see his petition? Can you see his petition at page 88? Page 88 is this petition.
You not receive a copy of this when it was filed?
No, Lordship. Page 88, he has not even signed in this petition. Page 89, the verification has not been signed. Page 90, affidavit.
About that, but were you party to the proceedings whereby, what orders issued by the Deputy Commissioner then?
There's no order, Lordship.
Now what happened after this?
After this, surprisingly, we received a notice from the special court, Lordship, whereby the court...
Because I think he doesn't want to go about it, Deputy Commissioner.
Lordship, there's no order till
I
date.
think you have to, it's a contempt, maybe not be the right recourse. Anyway,
Because at page 79, Your Lordship, the collector now, without passing, without hearing, without an order, now has simply just referred the matter to the court.
he just
Lordship.
washed off his hands of the
Lordship.
matter. Yes, heard Mr. Eman Nomkur, Learned Counsel petitioner, issued notice. This contempt application directed against the this contempt application alleges violation of the judgment order dated 4/8/2025 passed by this court in the PC number 416/2023. Yes, this is Mr. Eman Nomkur has submitted that. No paragraph, no, a para. The last part of para 24 of the judgment. This court had directed the collector to examine the maintainability of an objection filed by respondent number 3 in the minute petition and also locus. It is submitted that the same, without being completed, the collector has forwarded the matter to the special justice officer under section 64. Just after 2 weeks,
Lordship will take steps.
2 days.
By private notice, Lordship. Dusty service.
No, not 5 notice. Take steps first.
Lordship, sir.
Come later.
Obliged.
Item number 2.
These are gratuity, my lord. I'll take instruction in this matter.
GHDC?
Gratuity.
Gratuity, Your Lordship.
GHDC?
Yes, Your Lordship.
GHDC.
You heard Mr. Parsons here. You should notice Mr. SD is present on behalf of who has EB Pasa. It's not here. It's not here.
Your Lordship, I'm
No,
accepting.
not EB Pasa only. Yes. Accountant. What do you mean accountant guard who's the counsel?
So that is wrong, I think. The respondent number 3 and 4 is okay, my lord.
3 and 4 is okay.
Number 2 and 5, there's no such office.
Yeah, so how you making parties like this?
The accountant, Your Lordship.
So what about number 2? Who is secretary of the council? So you be careful what you write in your first title also.
I'll take instruction, my lord, since it's a pension matter.
Yes, yes, what do you want to say?
Your Lordship, I'm accepting notice on behalf of the state respondent, respondent number 1.
1?
State has nothing to do.
I'm accepting notice on behalf of the state respondent number 1.
Okay, yes, you heard Mr. Pasanthio. Though the identity of respondent 2 and 5 is to be ascertained, yes. MSSD accept notice on behalf of the respondents 3 and 4 and MSEDC 1 this after 3 weeks after instructions.
Daily list item number 1.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, bring for some accommodation today.
You're for the petitioner?
I'm for petitioner. Sure.
Yes. When you want it, yes.
2 weeks, Your
as this matters have been as instant have been revived after the order passed in review application.
Number 24 or 25?
24 minutes.
Review application 24/25. As this representative has been revived by order dated
12/3/2026.
passed in review
24 or 25, Your Lordship.
and this is a matter of 2 weeks for further orders.
Item number 2.
Yes, where's that inoffensive? You
Yes.
receive copy?
Yes, Your Lordship. I
What about
received
the
a
joinder?
copy. No, Your Lordship. Next date for hearing.
Yes, you are MS?
Estombre.
MSS Nombre appearing for the petitioner submits that no rejoinder be necessary according to the matter for hearing on so and so. Yes.
I got it, John.
3.
Lordship, I am filing my affidavit during the course of the day, Your Lordship.
I believe for further 2 weeks' time, but I am unable to complete the instruction.
Unable to
Complete the instruction, Lordship.
for number 4.
6, Lordship.
Number 6.
Lordship, yes.
What about number 4? File. File on yes or no?
Your affidavit is filed.
Not yet, Lordship.
No, Your Lordship.
Notified.
Dear please,
What's
Lordship.
the matter about?
Lordship, this matter is regarding Menti Patel College, Lordship.
Challenging my appointment, Lordship.
I'm challenging.
Regarding?
I'm challenging the appointment of.
Obra?
No, Lordship. Respond number 6.
Teacher.
Teacher. Okay.
Yes, Lordship.
In the college, Lordship.
Why not filing affidavit? File 6 is whom?
6 is the teacher who has been
6
upgraded.
the teacher who's taken her.
Yes, yes, Lordship. I'm challenging against the appointment of respondent number 6.
Then how can you not complete instructions? It's a private
I
respondent.
am holding the post. He has challenged
That
my
is why. Then why can't you file affidavit?
Lordship,
You must be widely interested.
Lordship, yes, I am just requiring to. I
If
require
you're
to file a
interested, then
detailed
we won't
affidavit.
need affidavit.
Lordship, no, I am just awaiting some further instructions, Lordship, because in between they have made hundreds of amendments against the SMC and all, whereas the challenge is only to my appointment.
Take down. Mr. H. Abraham submits that the affidavit will be filed
During the
in
course
the
of
course
the
of the day. MST and Marak for 5 submits affidavit has already been filed. Stop file. However, Mr. S. Dev for respondent number 6 prays for
2 weeks, Lordship. I'll
for
file.
the 2 weeks time.
I'm also praying for 2 weeks, my lord.
However, Ms. S. D for 4 and S. Dev for 6 pray for the 2 weeks time. Stop praise aloud. 2 weeks. Yes.
I'm obliged.
Not so, Lordship.
4.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, the affidavit has been sent for signature, my lord, so kindly allow us 1 week's time.
Send where for signature?
East Garvitz, Lordship.
Who was the officer who signed it?
The superintendent of police, my lord.
Yes. For the 1 week's time allowed for affidavits. Just thereafter.
Much of my lordship.
5.
In this matter, I'm praying for some time, Lordship, for rejoinder, Lordship.
How many times?
This is the third time.
Third time.
Oh, no, it's the second time, Lordship.
Okay, for the 2 weeks time, it's prayed loud for joining. Yes.
Lordship.
6.
My lord, I have received instructions, my lord. I'll file it less than a week. I'll file my counter affidavit, my lord.
1.
Not filing, Your Lordship.
MS allowed for the 2 weeks time for activities. This is after and so and so. Yes.
7.
Lordship, I'll be filing the affidavit in opposition during the course of the day.
You are paying for respondent number
1 and 2.
What about 3 and 4? Who's appearing 3 and 4? PS number.
I'm just representing PS number for today. I will be filing it.
In the course of the day?
No, not next week. At least 2 weeks.
What about state respondent?
State's not filing, my lord.
Okay.
For respondents at 7, we will not be filing any affidavit. Okay, for the same of
You find the course of the day, Mr. Thaba. Mr. D. Thaba, Senate Council for respondents 1 and 2 submitted the affidavit to be filed in the course of the day. Stop. Mr. S. Marpan for respondent number 3 and 4.
Yep.
Raise funds are out for the
2 weeks.
2 weeks time to file affidavit. You are not filing. Next list after 2 weeks.
Highly obliged.
Much obliged, lordship.
8.
Lordship, in this matter also, we are praying for some time for rejoinder, Lordship. This is the second time, Lordship.
Next 2 weeks further time must be allowed for joinder.
9.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, we've
The Lordship, may I just submit, as for the last instruction, I've received all the salary till date, up to date, so that may be disposed of because there's nothing remain. I filed a petition for non-receiving of the salary. They have paid.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, all of them have received, Lordship.
Mr. P.T. Sangma, Council petitioner. submits that the petition has since been infructuous, as the petitioners herein have since received the salaries.
Yes, up to date. 9 to 14, my lord.
These matters can close and dispose of.
Lordship.
Lordship.
Most blessed lordship.
15,
My lord. My lord, I've just received a copy of the affidavit filed by the.
I have not. I'm not officially filed. I'll be filing in the course of the day, Your Lordship. I have given advance copy to the petitioner.
Your
What
Lordship.
about 7? You for 7?
I'm for the 5 and 6, Your Lordship. I'm
five?
filing that during the course of the day. Your
And 7, EB Pasa was she?
Lordship, I've sent for signature subject to receive, Your Lordship. I'll be filing for the next day, Your Lordship.
Yes, you are your name, sorry?
AD Sharma, Your Lordship.
ED Sharma, yes.
My lord.
Abraham for 1 to 4 and MS ED Sharma for 5 and 6. Submitted after will be filed the course of the day.
Yes.
MS ED Pasa for 7. Submit the same will be filed within 1 week.
Lordship.
Yes, let's after 2 weeks, 3 weeks for the joinder win.
My lord, the affidavit filed by the state, my lord, it seems incomplete because.
Is that even record, Mr. Mitchell? And how can I look at it? Yes.
My lord, it won't be able to adjudicate
File
properly, my
course
lord.
of the day, yes. You put as an objection in your rejoinder.
16.
Obliged, my lord.
EM Pala. Bang, yes. Affidavit.
My lord, I have not received instructions.
When was this matter filed?
This matter was filed, my lord, in
It was filed in October 2025.
yes, my lord. My lord, give me this. My lord, the law officer is not well, so this is the only. I'm waiting only for this.
MECL.
Yes, my lord. The rest I have got instruction except
None
for
appears
this.
for the petitioner. You're not filing affidavit, Mr. Pala. Now with Petitioner MS OAI Bank, is waiting for the answering respondents 2 and 3. Please all allowed for the 2 weeks time to file affidavit.
Most obliged.
17,
Please, Your Lordship. The respondent are supposed to file the reply.
It's appearing for respondent number 4.
Who the okay?
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes, take it easy here. 1 second. Who the appearing for 2?
I'm appearing for 2, Lordship.
ESD for 10 for 3. As Ice Imle. 4. Pandey. 5.
Your Lordship.
You are?
MM Sarkar, Your Lordship, on behalf of Ankara, we have just received instruction.
Okay, you just take down.
Your Lordship.
Ms. ESD has entered the appearance on behalf of number 2. Then, sorry, number 3 is MS Ice Imle for 3. Ankara for 3.
Yes, MM Sarkar, Your Lordship.
For 4 is Pandey and 5 is M Sarkar. Vice Ankara. Yes, as such, notice complete order respondents. Yes, what do you want?
Your Lordship, may I have it for hearing?
Your Lordship.
May
fix
for
Hearing of admission hearing.
Yes.
Yes, as the
and filing of the reply.
respondents are allowed 2 weeks time to file requisite affidavits, whereafter the matter shall be posted for admission hearing.
Please, Your Lordship, I'll be filing my power during the course of today, if that may be.
You won't report that? Yes,
Your Lord- Your Lordship will be filing our Wakalatnama and affidavit in 4 weeks.
Parties, councils appearing for the respective respondents specified to file the powers within 2 days. Yes.
Wait,
Great, my lord, your lordship has kept it for the preliminary objection, my lord, because maintainability, my lord. So
Admission hearing, Mr. Applicant.
Yes, I'm grateful.
18,
Please, Your Lordship. They have to file for affidavit, Your Lordship responds.
What's the matter about?
Pension matter, Your Lordship. It's being denied.
Dr. Mosika, why? Working, when did they retire? What's the family pension matter?
Retired 94.
When did he die?
He
1922.
retirement in the year 1994, Your Lordship.
And he died in?
22. Which year? Para 6. 18/7/22.
Expired in 2022.
What is the hitch? Why?
Your Lordship, my pension is being denied because my date of birth is being wrongly reflected in my late husband's service record. Now, Your Lordship, I've been directed that to correct my date of birth in my documents so as to enable the department to release the pension. But Your Lordship, that is not possible because even I am drawing pension from the very same department. Now, changing my date of birth will lead to further complication in my own pension, Your Lordship.
Yes, Dr. Modika. I'll have Mr. Manu, page 27, Lordship, kindly see, my lord. Para 3. This is primarily date of birth issues, my lord.
And collecting my own date of birth is not an option also, Your Lordship. What is the correct date of birth actually? My correct date of birth is 13/10/1962, whereas in the service record is reflected as 25/6/1954, Your Lordship.
But then how can you marry your deceased husband on 64? You're 10 years old at the time. That's what.
1960.
And if you correct date of birth 62, that means you've been.
Lordship, that is as per how it's reflected in my pension, Your Lordship. And in my husband's service.
How can it be reconciled? You see a correct date of birth 62.
Yes, Your Lordship. In my
and the records you married on 64. You're 2 years old.
That is the
marriage or something. Infant marriage. How? And even if the service record shows 54, you're 10 years old also when you got married that time.
Lordship, my service documents recorded as.
I think they're not aware what date of birth they have. Many people at that time didn't know. It's just what do you call it? Any date they add.
My Lordship,
but you can't just have it.
Some proximate age, my lord.
Approximate, no, they can't change.
Can't be 2 years or 4 years old.
We look over and just notional, just grant a pension. The old lady.
It's a unique situation, Your Lordship.
She's getting her own pension also that is submitted.
That is the
difficult pension. Your date of birth shown us how much?
13 October 1962.
That again will create a lot of problem. Serving Assam Rifles?
Yes, the very same department. Now that is the issue, Your Lordship.
You're serving as?
Safaiwala.
Safaiwala, Your Lordship.
See, I don't know. It's not so steady.
How will you overcome this? This seems a real big problem. Then why did you request them to change the date of birth to 962? Yes, written here.
Lordship, that is the only option.
Your case examined for if your date of birth was amended to 13 August 62 as per your request, then a marriage should have been from an age of 2 years, which vitiates the genuine such date of birth. Hence, your request was turned down. So the Aadhaar card will show 62.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And how do you reconcile it? What affidavit will you file?
Even my PAN card is 62, Your Lordship. Now there is a unique situation, Lordship. Even
what is the amount of time pension due to you?
After the death of my late husband,
what you would
2022.
Would you be getting as any pension now?
I don't have the detail of that, Your Lordship.
Well, you'll have to forego it then. Yes, sir. Dr. Mbozika, please was allowed for the 3 weeks time to file affidavit. What any such cases like this before the Assam Rifles?
This I think is pretty
This is a unique case.
Approximate maybe 6 months, 1 year here and there can be.
Can't 62, 54
can be reconcilable. So it becomes 2 years old.
Correct date of, yes, 2 years. No, correct date, it must be around 52 or 51 or whatever. In the early 50s. Yes.
19.
Problem.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, the respondents are yet to file their affidavit.
May I please, Your Lordship, I'm praying for some more time, Your Lordship, to file our
Why
affidavit.
what's wrong? When was the matter filed?
December 2025, 11 December, Your Lordship.
What's the matter about?
My lord, here the forest department, my lord, has encroached upon the land of the petitioner, my lord.
Yes, Mr. D.
My lord, District Council has no role here, my lord. There is no allegation.
Yes, we'll file, Your Lordship. 2 weeks' time may be given, Your Lordship.
You not got instructions till now?
Not yet, Your Lordship.
You call officer next day.
Your Lordship, I'll file, Your Lordship. 2 weeks'
Who is
time, Your
he?
Lordship.
Since December, you sought instruction until now. They have not given you
Your
instructions.
Lordship, we've not received complete instructions, Your Lordship.
You won't need
Just 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
Let him appear.
Positively.
Who's he?
Positively, I'll
Principal
file, Your
Chief
Lordship.
Observer.
Your Lordship, positively, I'll file.
1 week. Let him bring the file.
Positively, I'll file, Your Lordship. Just a 2 weeks' time may be given, Your Lordship.
MS Eiling was for response number
1, 2, 3, and 4, Your
1 to
Lordship.
3 and 1 to 4 has again sought time to file affidavit stuff. Whether submits that till date instructions have not been received. However, undertake the file will be on board within 3 weeks. Yes.
Hello, President.
Much obliged, Lordship.
20.
Very please, your lordship. I have to file some affidavit, bring on records. So a week's time may be required.
What happened?
For response number 3.
Fire incident of Anjali, my lord. The lordship was pleased to direct that they may construct some temporary structure, but it was not allowed to do. And now they have
Yes,
filed.
Dr. Mozika, what instruction do you have? Who's number 7?
Well, it is one of the owners, Millets, one of the lessees.
Yes.
Well, as a matter of fact, if your lordships kindly have a look at it, Millets, the affidavit filed. We've annexed the photographs.
We have not filed. We have not received that.
It's filed, Millets.
Yesterday. When?
It has been filed yesterday, Millets.
It's one number 7.
Yes, Millets.
Okay. You are paying for 1 of 7.
Millets.
7 and 8. Yes.
My
Lord, Millets, kindly have a look at Annexure 2, Millets.
Yes.
In the garb of Millets raising temporary constructions, this was what was sought to be done. Your lordships may kindly have a look.
My lord, these are nothing
These
but
are
a hollow
iron-
pipe, my lord.
These are
hollow
iron
pipe.
beams, my lords, which are
It is
welded
not
together.
iron beam is quite different thing, my lord. It is a hollow pipe.
not
It
a
is
hollow
also
pipe.
where to fix the CI sheet for wall and roof, my lord.
This is not
There
a
should be
temporary
some-
construction, Millets.
How it can be permanent construction? We are not even in a position to raise RCC pillar there. It
As
is a
such,
mere
Millets,
hollow pipe, iron pipe. my
we
lord.
were required to, Millets, then file an FIR and inform the authorities, Millets, that this kind of construction was sought to be made.
And this wall behind it is your property only.
This is, Millets, this is the existing property, Millets, later part of which was gutted.
No, but see, Mr. Siddiqui, looks like a huge structure you're making.
No.
I mean, look at the height of the
It will be 10 feet, my lord. Only.
the height of these steel bars.
It'll be more than that, Millets. It'll be more than that. And your lordship,
You
they kindly
see,
see that
even if-
page. Millets,
even
these
if
are
you put, my
welded
lord,
together.
Something will have to be
Warehouse
put.
of making a temporary shelter.
My lord, even if it is removed, suppose, then only we will have to use the iron wooden bottom to fix the CI sheets. If they have got objection on this, then we can put the bottoms, wooden bottoms. But
Millets,
something
may
will have
kindly
to
have
be
a
there
look
to
at
fix.
page 6, Millets. These bars do not definitely look to be, Millets, 10 feet.
See, Mr. Siddiqui, when we said that, when the court said that, no, it's shelter.
Temporary shelter. No.
These are not temporary in any nature.
Barracks, you know.
No temporary shells.
My lord, we are
Like
proposing.
barracks, and like you make those kind of barracks, for like with wooden structure, something just for temporary, not to.
My lord's order was very specific, Millets, that it is to make them windproof and
We are even
waterproof.
prepared to put the bottoms, wooden bottoms, but something will have to be there to fix the CI sheet. We propose to make CI sheet and CI sheet roof and wall. Something will have to be there to fix that. Either if it is not
Cantonment board, you have engineers.
Yes, we have engineers. They have inspected the site.
So, I mean, what by the definition, what is a temporary structure which is windproof and waterproof, which would suffice, which is
No, this cannot be allowed. These things cannot be allowed. Your Worship.
Oh, this because this will keep the permanency also.
So then in that case we can put the wooden bottom. At least we need a place to fix the CI sheets.
Where
For
is
roof.
staying now, these people?
No, wait, there is nothing
itself.
remain there.
Where is
No,
staying?
there itself.
Very difficult.
What kind of thing they want to construct, we'll do that. What is the meaning of temporary by wooden
May I
plank
pray,
cover?
let the respondent cantonment authority, my lords, cause an inspection and file a report before my lord.
Yes, that's what I
No,
will do.
inspection means that you have to see. The thing is that now where's Mr. Jindal? I can't see him. He's behind the camera. Yes, you say that they are legal tenants.
Yes.
And Mr. Paul
Well,
says
it's
they
own, so
approach
far
us.
as 4 of them are legal, my lords. 4.
If I can humbly point out what is happening here, my friend is also paying for one of the landowners. So if any objection is to be raised as such against the nature of our constructions, nature of some of our tenants who are apparently constructing on this, the objection, strictly speaking, should come from the cantonment board. Cantonment board, if Lordship is pleased to direct them to cause an inspection and maybe file.
They already called inspection. Mr. Martha
Special.
has given the task
Yes.
of coordinating the whole thing.
As to the nature of the construction, because what is happening now is that my relative is raising objections against my tenant's constructions, whereas his tenants are also conducting the same sort of construction.
You have no objection to them doing these kind of structures?
My lord, these are being.
These are in my
instructions.
province.
Or any of
instructions
your
are-
portion?
My instruction is that these are hollow metal pipes. These are not permanent structures of any nature. These are hollow metal pipes on which there is a proposal to put tin sheets. My lord.
It looks like a warehouse. It doesn't look like a.
It doesn't
look at the height and the way it's being constructed. When you make
Well,
those,
it's
those
something which
warehouses,
is welded into place cannot be temporary.
They'll have to be welded.
well, no, whatever nature of construction, you know. But then the temporary means to make it waterproof and windproof was withheld, like I'm not an engineer, but I think there will be like some sort of barrack. You see, just like quarters for them to
My lord,
with plank and they do just for temporary.
My lord, following the spirit and the letter and spirit of Lordship's earlier direction, earlier permission, the proposal was to put up tin sheets. My lord. Tin sheets by themselves cannot stand. So a frame is required. Wooden frames. my
But
lord,
will you
are-
need 20 feet steel?
Not 20 feet,
tubular, tubular steel, 20 feet.
No, it is not 20 feet, my lord.
I think the petitioner will be in a position to undertake that beyond 10 feet they will not raise.
That I'm ready to
Then we
undertake.
will not go venture into that.
Well, may I just pray? Let the report
I'll
come from
give
the
the
cantonment authorities. My lords, that would clarify the matter.
Otherwise,
Respond number 3.
and the lease expired also.
Yes.
That issue is with the Supreme Court.
That's the Supreme Court is now seized of the matter.
What instructions does Dr. Mojika have?
But no further issues.
Yes, sir. Today, an affidavit has been filed by the respondent number 7, wherein certain photographs have been annexed showing the nature of construction which is being undertaken by the petitioners. Applicants. Submitted by Mr. K. Paul Leonard Senior Counsel that the construction which is sought to be erected, or the structure sought to be erected by the petitioners, looks more does not will the structure sought to be raised is more than a temporary structure and may lead to permanency of it's not temporary and looks permanent, which means further complications in the matter. This court has perused the photograph and notes that the steel tubular poles of certain height has been erected on the said land stump. As to the nature of temporary structures to be erected, it's not yet been conclusive, or has the nature of temporary structures to be constructed has not been, what is the word to use, not been agreed upon by the landlord. See, landlord.
Lessee, my lord, erstwhile lessee.
And the applicant it is therefore directed that the respondent number 3 conduct inspection and also to suggest the manner in which temporary structures, what kind of temperature can be raised by the applicants, which are windproof and waterproof. This after
1 week.
1 week. Just a 1 week, yes.
for the orders and for report from the respondent number 3.
I'll reply.
21.
Lordship, in this matter, I'm praying for 2 weeks' time, Lordship, file affidavit. The instructions I have received.
That's prayed for the 2 weeks' time. Allowed.
22.
Well, in this matter, I need some instruction from the district council. They are saying well, that the bid amount was manipulated, and they
by
were
him,
by the district council. Their allegations,
yes.
And there is an interim order in their favor. So I need some instruction, my lord, in this matter.
You know, we have served a notice to the private respondent. The interim may continue.
No, who's appearing for respondent? He's been served.
Yes.
He's been served.
Then we have to get the report from the postal.
They have taken steps.
We have steps.
Served or not?
Respondent number 3, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, officer indicates that AD card not to receive on behalf of number 3. A petitioner permitted to obtain status of service. So, next paragraph, Mr. SD appearing for respondent 1 and 2. Praise and be allowed for the time to receive instruction. Praise allowed this matter for 2 weeks for the orders. The interim order pass shall continue to the next date.
Highly obliged.
Hearing 26.
This matter again, we are challenging, my lord, the acquisition of my access land without paying any compensation. But here again, my lord, the main respondent of the state, Madam Bhattacharjee, was again appearing, my lord. She seems to be
There
still
must
on
be
leave.
some other substitute counsel. Nobody who has the brief for the
The
government.
brief has not gone to anybody, I guess.
Yes, MSLE Nogandi please submits that as the matter has been conducted by Adjournment, she will without some time to obtain instructions whether the brief has been reassigned to any other counsel list after 2 weeks. Yeah.
27.
This matter was heard, well, this is a recruitment matter in some rifle criminal cases pending in Maharashtra.
Your Lordship, the conducting counsel is on Lex. Kindly adjourn the matter the next day.
On next where?
Any convenient.
Yes, Lamba. What's the matter about?
There's a criminal case pending. Madam.
Yes. Yes.
Please, Your Lordship, this is that matter where they had actually cancelled my candidature on pendency of a criminal case, and during the hearing, it had been transpired that I had also not mentioned in my online application form about the criminal case. So, on
See,
both
there's a lot of disturbance from.
Yes, no. The reference earlier we had filed. The registration
Can you get a secure place where we can no disturbance? That is online.
Yes, sir.
Just
I'll come to you and figure out why it's not on the phone. I'll come.
Please, am I audible, Your Lordships, now?
yes, but we don't want this audio disturbance. Yes.
Yes. Please, Your Lordship, this, if Your Lordship would recall, is the case where my candidature was cancelled on the ground that there was an FIR.
The suppression. You will have it tomorrow, some other day. Yes, please get a secure place. This is becomes very difficult. Yes, after 1 week. See,
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Yes. The thing is, yes, 2 weeks.
There's some sound in the background.
There's someone next to her who's really loud voice. Yes.
28.
Yes. Yes. Next matter.
28.
Please, Lordship. This
Yes,
matter,
Lordship,
Lordship,
ready?
we file our implement application, Lordship.
Who emptied an application?
We filed
Impeding who?
yesterday. The officer in
The
charge
officer in charge
and the secretary of power, Lordship.
Officer in charge.
and the commissioner and secretary to the power department, Your Lordship.
Yes. What's the matter about this one? It's regarding that wrongful arrest.
Lordship.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So during the hearing, Lordship, transpired that there were CCTV cameras, and state had filed an affidavit stating that the cameras were non-functional. So there was a judgment, Lordship Parambir, stating that cameras should be working. So we've implemented the officer in charge, who's the duty officer, to maintain the.
But why is Communist Secretary Power Department?
They've also made an averment, Lordship, in the affidavit that there's been fluctuation of electricity. So we just want to bring on record here.
You have any objection to this? Just.
Your Lordship, because our contention is that although there are CCTVs in the police station, Your Lordship, but however, because of the fluctuation in power, Your Lordship,
they're not functioning.
Yes, Your Lordship, they are not functioning.
Lordship, can you be implemented so we can necessary steps may be taken by us?
Steps taken by you. What will you achieve by impeding them?
Because their averment is that.
Did you take permission to report for application, or
Lordship has been allowed?
What happened? You were arrested and taken to Bajangdoba station.
Lordship, and I was released after a period of certain hours, Lordship, without any justification. I was never arrested eventually.
He was taken in for questioning, Your Lordship. That was the
Lordship,
reason for
CCTV
his,
cameras would form a
detention.
to show that I was inside the police station for a certain period of time.
Oh, you made a prayer also.
Lordship.
Your Lordship, my only objection in this misapplication is that, Your Lordship, in the array of parties, the party that they want to implead, Your Lordship, respondent number 7, Your Lordship, whether it'll be from the power department or the MEECL, because Your Lordship.
Yes. So he says that MECL.
But Your Lordship.
But then commissioner
yes,
is
Your
different. MECL is a corporation. You corrected, Mr. Kharkwang.
Lordship.
Yes, Mr. R. Kharkwang prays I to correct the course title of the party sought for number 7. In this after 1 week. You corrected.
Lordship.
It has to be Commissioner Secretary, but what MECL, Government Meghalaya, or MCL by itself. This case number 98/2026 is an application for pleading further respondents in the pending petition stuff and the after that. However, Mr. Arfang, please. Yes.
29.
Your Lordship, this matter was heard on 15/12/2025. There is an order, Lordship.
Too long ago.
My Lord, this is only with regard to the age of entry in the post. They have in the counter affidavit stated that I was overage at the time of appointment. But I have placed one judgment, Lordship. The judgment says that for ST, the age is.
Where's the judgment?
So
let's just see the facts of the case first.
Petition. Here, Lordship, the petitioner was appointed in the year 1990 in the respondent school, Lordship. That is at the appointment order is at page. Lordship will find at page 10, Lordship. And he was appointed in LDA, Lordship. This is the aided, deficit aided secondary school, Lordship. So he was superannuated, Lordship, on September 2017, Lordship.
2017.
Superannuated?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
So after his superannuation, Lordship, his that DCRG was not released, Lordship. Now the petitioner husband, Lordship, he died on 12/5/2023, Lordship. So he was not given the DCRG, Lordship, till date. Now, Lordship, they have filed a counter. In the counter, they are not denying his entitlement. Only they have said that his entry to the service was beyond his age limit, Lordship, because he was over 30 at the time of his appointment, Lordship. But he is a ST candidate, Lordship. So far as the age for entry for ST in aided secondary school is 35 plus extra 5, Lordship, 40. So to that effect, I have placed one judgment, and my learned friend has sought time to obtain instruction in that regard, Lordship. So far as the eligibility or the claim, they are not disputed, Lordship.
If my lord may kindly have page 10 of my affidavit. My lord has it.
Yes.
The relevant part would be at page 11.4.
Yes.
Shri Orindro Sangma.
Yes.
He's the so in this regard, written, you have to furnish copy of appointment order from competent authority. You have to clarify whether he was confirmed, etc. As per entry service book, it is found that his date of birth was recorded as on 15/9/1957, whereas as per admit card of HSLC, his age as on 1st March 1978 was shown as 20 years 6 months, and that his date of birth should be 1st September 1957, and he joined service on 1st August 1990 at the age of 32 years 11 months, which exceeds the prescribed age limit by 11 months as per SR 6 of the Meghalaya FRs and SRs 1984. Now, next page, my lord. In this connection, you have to clarify whether condonation of overage by 11 months was done with prior approval of the competent authority or not. If it is yes, copy to be furnished, and if not, approval is to be obtained first and furnished to the office.
What happened after that?
My lord, nothing has moved after that.
Yes. Sit down.
My lord, I'll just quickly respond, Lordship. Judgment I have placed, Lordship. There is a division bench judgment. That issue has been clarified, Lordship.
Yes.
My lord, first let him complete, then I'll tell you.
Yeah, what are your instructions then?
My lord, judgment as such is not really applicable in this case, because there the advertisement said 5 years relaxation to SCST.
No, my lord, they cannot.
Is a case where you've appointed a person, regularized him, avail of his services.
He died.
He's dead.
Now,
how can you raise his queries?
My lord, that's where the page 13 is important, that we're just trying to resolve it one way or the other. So
then when are you going to resolve it one way or the other?
My lord may.
By sitting on the file.
My lord, it has been now 9 years, Lordship. It's okay, my lord can.
And the change also is very minimal. Because if retired in to
2017.
11 months.
And so if he was born in 57, that means he was.
It's just that an approval has to be there in the record. Because of a discrepancy, all this has happened, madam. Like the admit card said something. And
take down, yes. How does his judgment help? It is majority data.
Yes, Lordship. That matter went to Supreme Court. Supreme Court also did not touch, Lordship.
You know, come back again, revive another avatar now in this court again. The same Sujata, whatever.
Now, so far as the ace is concerned, Lordship, my lord, I don't think that will touch the.
Which paragraph is applicable to you on the judgment?
In fact, in the judgment, it's
Lordship, para 8 is the submission. and my lord will find para 21. My lord, para S is the notification they have copied, lordship. This is the government notification.
Now he was how old was he? 31 appointed.
My lord, as per they are saying that yes, 32 years and 11 months. As per their assertion, lordship.
Yes. This is a government area, the government deficit school.
Deficit. This is all covered, lordship.
Take down his. The petitioner is the wife, right? The petitioner, who is stated to be the legally wedded wife of one late Orindro Sangma, who served as an LDA at United Songsak Deficit Secondary School, is before this court praying for release of gratuity and other admissible terminal benefits
along with interest.
Along with interest from the date of entitlement till the actual payment stopped. The next paragraph, the brief facts are that the husband of the petitioner was appointed, entered service on 1/8/1990 in the aforementioned school and retired in September 2017. Retired 17 and ultimately passed away and expired on
12 May
12/5/2023. Stop. However, as the dues were not released, the petitioner has preferred instant writ petition. Stop. Next one, Mr. S.A. Sheikh, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that the only hindrance that exists with regard to the release of the gratuity and other terminal benefits is the objection of the respondents as to the age of her husband when he entered service. It is submitted that the response in the affidavit, or submitted the respondents by, where's that? Where's in the annexures here? Inform you. Nothing.
My lord, my affidavit annexure 3.
No, in his writ petition. Nothing.
Nothing, lordship.
No.
There is only one annexure, lordship, because there's the internal communication that is at page 16. That was after the representation filed by the petitioner herein.
No. age of the husband's entry into service. Stop. Next paragraph. MSS IN appearing for the respondents has, in this, with regard to the objection as to age, has drawn attention of this court to the affidavit filed behalf of state respondents, more particularly communication dated 25/02/2021. Annexed model sentence, wherein the case of the deceased employee Sri Orinder Sangma has been taken up. Stop. She submits that as per entry in the service book, the date of birth was recorded as 15/9/2027, whereas as per the HSLC admit card / certificate, his age as on 1/3/1978 was shown as 20 years 6 months, which would therefore mean that that Orindra Sangma's date of birth should be 19, right?
Yes, sir.
1957
57.
instead of 15/9/57. He further submits that though the discrepancy is marginal, the only fact that remains is that the petitioner, while entering to service, was overaged by 11 months. 11 months, correct? Was overaged by 11 months. Stop.
Also, my lord, he never approached us during his lifetime.
Yes, 11 months. So it's further submitted that the deceased employee had never approached the respondents during his lifetime for resolution of the date of birth of the he didn't know that time. Never approached
Even for pension, my lord.
never approached the respondents in connection with the pension matter, and further and submits that the respondents are still considering the case at their level. So, next paragraph. On hearing the counsel of the parties, as submitted by the counsels, it is noted that the deceased employee, date Orindro Sangma, was aged how much when entered service?
My lord, he was
Would be
whatever they am, because that part I
would
cannot.
be 31 years.
Will be
From some, it would be 31 years, 11 months.
yes, lordship.
11 months.
32, lordship. 32.
32 years
Yeah,
at
11
a time of 32 years, 11 months.
Yes.
32 years, 11 months at the entry and while entering service. Stop. However, one fact that cannot be overlooked is that the petitioner was duly appointed, was appointed in a regular manner by the respondents, who had also had availed of his service till his retirement. So, in this respect, it is perhaps perhaps the respondents are therefore liable to be directed to consider positively the condemnation in the date of entry into service and to factor in the entitlements accordingly.
My lord, I have prayer for interest, lordship, because
Accordingly, a judgment has also been placed by the learned counsel of the petitioner in support of his case. That is the case of so-and-so, wherein at paragraph 8 thereof, it has been quoted that the upper age limit for appointment
to government aided schools is 35 plus 5 for scheduled caste/tribe. Stop. The response, therefore, Nekpara, directed to dispose of the matter within a period of 3 months by taking into consideration the relevant factors, including the judgment rendered by this court, quoted above. Needless to add, what
the division bench judgment, I'm relying that.
Which one?
The division bench judgment, my lord, where is my lord, was the part of the bench that with regard to the interest, lordship, that
with regard to interest, also the respondents have to decide accordingly.
My lord, because
stands dispose of, yes.
Because now I don't know whether they will.
Why you never went during that time when you were alive?
My lord, they went.
Say why didn't when you were alive yet then?
Mass of life.
Yes.
Excuse lordship. This is with regards to the conducting of election to the VAC, my lord. Before I come to the fact of the case, I would just like to the notification. Lordship, it is on page 19. It's very clearly that the election to the VAC should be here, and the term of the VAC is the 3 years. That was the very clear notification issued by the Secretary to Government Meghalaya Community and Rural Development on the 23rd March 2010, my lord. That has been following. Therefore, it is mandated that election has to be held. VAC election must be here, and then to that effect, your lordship, also there is one deputy commissioner from.
One second.
Lordship.
What are respondents there?
Lordship. There.
Yes, sir. 5, 6. Now, 5, 6. Yeah, appearing 5, 6, 7. 5. Yes.
Yes. Yes, my lord. What I'm trying to say is there is a clear notification that election must be held to elect the VAC functionaries as per the notification dated 23rd March 2010, and it has been following. And then in compliance with the notification, lordship, the deputy commissioner from Tura, the district program, also the district coordinator, MRGS, West Garo Hills District, Meghalaya, also have issued another order on 8 September 2023, where it says clearly mentioned that yes, may I read what the order is contains in pursuance to the government page 21, my lord. Because why I'm reading is this is very important, lordship. Lordship, just I will read. In pursuance to the government amended notification number so and so dated 23 March 2010, program officer is involved in the implementation of MRGA under the CRD block of West Garo Hills District are hereby reminded that the tenure of VAC member constituted under MRGA survey up to maximum of 3 years. Now, next line, your lordship, that program officer refers to block BDO, my lord. Officers are hereby directed to conduct fresh elections immediately after the expiry of the time period of 3 years in a phased and systematic manner, and share the schedule with the district as per the spreadsheet prescribed, and it should be uploaded in the link below. Then after that, lordship, which I feel is very important, you stated that further you are also directed to check the criminal antecedent by the contesting candidate and prior police verification of the contesting candidate, and maybe sought pursue before the election are being held or conducted. Now this order says that the election to the VAC must be conducted in a systematic manner. Now I will come to the fact of the case. Why, lordship? Now this is present case. This under Demdema block. Now this in this particular case, that the election to the
now
VAC.
Is your case that there was no election?
There was no election.
You want fresh election?
I want fresh election.
There was an election.
They allege that there was an election. Therefore, I'm saying that in this particular in the order document there was no such Number one is there was no fresh election. When the election is held, my lord, there will be an notice issuing from the BDO. That notice consists of schedule of election. The schedule of election, they also mention the time and date for election and the venue, and also date and time for filing the nomination, and date and time for declaration of the result in that notification. Usually that was the followed by the practice by the in all the different video while conducting the election. So in this particular case, there was no notification. There is no notifications consisting of the schedule of election, such as filing of nomination, then the declaration of the result, and time of voting.
How do you substantiate that?
Yes, yes, Lordship. I have to substantiate that in that Annexure 5 there is only page 26.
Where's the notice?
There was no notice, my lord. That's why I'm saying
notice.
There was no notice at all. There was no notice. May I just do the page 24 because not page 26.
Yeah.
Now this page 26 is the approver. Approver.
It was held on 3rd November elections.
Yes.
At the premises of Raipur School under so.
Yes.
I think there's new V in the committee and consensus behind raising the matter by job card holders. So there was a consensus.
So therefore,
were there in a meeting also or not?
There was no meeting at all.
Were you there or not in the meeting?
No, I was not there even also. I'm saying that 100%. I'm saying there was no election at all. And to substantiate my statement also, there is a two statement. My lord, may I take you to the page 29 to make it short.
So it was approved since 24.
Yes, Lordship. There was no election at all. But
now it's okay.
Yes, then just to substantiate, there is another headman. The also is a Gangbura. Gangbura actually in the VSC there, he is supposed to be the headman. Also is supposed to be the part of the VSC election, where he has issued a letter on 17 February 2025. May I just read this one, the Lordship? That is page 29, Annexure 6, my lord. May I just read the letter? What the content of the letter? I being the village headman. The headman, as per the notification, headmen are supposed to be there during the election. As I being the village headman, Gangbura of the village Rajpul, am certified with my knowledge and believe that there was not held a Gram Sabha meeting in this one. And another letter also, my lord, it was issued by the president of the school. Well, they said that the election was held in the school premises. Now the
affidavit say. So you see, there were no elections.
Yes. In the Affidavit, government have stated that there is no rule guideline. They just read it that their Affidavit what they have stated. They are saying that there is no specific guideline to conduct the election. May I just take you to the annexure, page 4 of the Affidavit filed by the this one, para 4.
Yeah.
They have stated, Lordship, in reply to the above so in the repetition answering, the respondent would like to reiterate the same has been stated in para 1 of the affidavit in opposition. Moreover, there is no specific guideline making it mandatory for election of VSC to be conducted in a specific manner. However, the guideline job card holders of their respective VSC are to elect or select the VSC and its member, and whoever gets support of the job card holders are elected accordingly. See, you know, the notification clearly says there should be an election. This statement is ambiguous, means not clear. They are saying it should be either elected or selected. It cannot be selected, it should be elected. And then they also stated that there is no specific guideline.
Where's the guideline, Chu?
The guideline, Lordship, I have read it. They said that it should be a very specific manner. In that notification, Lord, in my repetition.
See again.
Lordship.
Yes, the page.
Yes, that is in the page. Page 21. Page 21, the para 2, Lordship. Para 2, the program officer.
Yes.
The program officer are hereby directed.
Can be by raising of hands. Where it's not because this what happened is not by selection. It's by election because they raise hand.
No,
So you want straight ballot or you want raising of hands? This matter is not new. But other cases have come also where they said that they have come a specific prayer. I think Mr. Hassan
Now, Lordship, now
asking for secret ballot.
May I, Lordship, even if I'm not Lordship, just may I let me submit. Let me complete my submission. Then they can respond.
I think we've heard you,
Lordship. Even if I'm not Lordship,
your only grievance is that there was no election. There was
there was no election at all.
There was no election at all. Yes.
And one more thing is, even if I'm not questioning the manner of how the mode of election, also there should be a notification. There should be a notification.
Right.
Even if I'm not questioning the manner in the mode of the election, maybe even by raising hand, maybe that can be also maybe admitted. But there is no notification.
Notice, yes.
There is no nomination. There is no declaration how much both the president, secretary, and the woman member have received. That is the basic criteria. Even if they are raising hand, also there will be a declaration to the election. And another affidavit filed by the opposition, they are saying that that a VMC member, they have constituted that has nothing to do. VMC is only the monitoring body which constituted by the BDO. It is only the purpose of the ruling. Their main function is to see whether the project is properly implemented, whether there is any transparency, whether regarding the transparency and the manner the project has been implemented. That is the full form of VMC, the function of VMC, and it has no connection and whatsoever. It has nothing to do with the election of the VAC. So they are asking me to implement those people who are in the member of VMC. The member, we have nothing to do with the VMC. This is purely the notification. Yes, not with regards to VMC, but it's with regards to VEC, Lordship. That's my submission there. I don't want to repeat, but the thing is, if there is an election, there should be at least a notification, declaration of the result. Time of that schedule is very important. Maybe raising hand that we can admit it, but it should be that time and other things should be there, Lordship. Like filing of nomination, withdrawal of the nomination, and then the declaration how much vote they have received. And then most important thing is prior to the election, there is a notification. On the basis of the notification, then the election will be conducted, and the notification consists of the schedule of the election, my lord. That's my whole submission, my lord.
Yes. Who's answering? Yes.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, in this matter, this is the second round of litigation. The first round of litigation was withdrawn by the petitioner after the filing of the affidavit, my lord. Now, my lord, the allegations made that there is no election or selection to the present VEC is actually incorrect, lordship, because the MNREGS Demdema CNRD block, they had issued the approval of the respondents 5, 6, and 7, and as present secretary and women member of the Rajput VEC. Lordship, there has been no complaint, my lord. We have not received any complaint, and we have stated here in the affidavit also. What my friend has stated that there has been a complaint. We have not received any complaint. Even the letter annexed by my friend, there's no receipt, nothing whatsoever, lordship. Now, my lord, respondents number 5, 6, and 7 have been selected and elected by the VEC members, lordship. So that's why their names have been published accordingly, and they have the support of the VEC members.
Job card holders.
Yes. So they have the support, lordship. And there's been no complaint till date, lordship, except by way of this second round of litigation.
What is this page 9 of your affidavit?
This is the proceeding, my lord. If I may read, my lord.
Yes.
A Gram Sabha meeting of Rajpur MVEC held today, 3rd November 2024 at the Rajpur UP School at 10 a.m. under the chairmanship of Shri So-and-so, and the following resolutions are adopted unanimously. Resolution number 1. It is resolved in the meeting after threadbare discussions regarding the Rajpur VEC, the House unanimously opined to bifurcate. Resolution number 2. After the discussion regarding this above resolution and the House given to opportunity to the job card holders are selected their own commendable persons by raising of their hands to each job card holders are selected Lordship, there's some grammar problem. They are commendable persons as same president, secretary, and woman member, so and so. The respondent number 5, 6, and 7 are here, Lordship. And the remaining Rajpur MVEC already selected by the job card holders for president, secretary, and woman member who run the Rajpur MVEC. Further, the House empowered to the newly selected secretary, Shahida Begum, to cooperate with the authority concerned for necessary approval. In the fine meeting is ended over with vote of thanks from the chair, Lordship.
You never put a complaint for the video also?
They did not, Lordship.
You did not?
They did not. We have specifically
Lordship, what
mentioned
happened,
over
It's not what happened. Yes or no?
We did not.
Yes or no?
No, we did not file
Yes
a
or
complaint.
no?
We are not filing a complaint because
Yes or
they
no?
have resigned.
Did you put a complaint that there was no election video? Yes or no?
No, we did not put it.
Fine.
But
Yes,
one
now,
thing is
yes, next. Yes, Mr.
one just
Yes, please, Mr. Listen. Don't try to put patient.
My argument is of threefold. Number one, the impugn order through which the Gram Sabha was approved by the BDO, my lord, was never been put to challenge, my lord, in the writ petition.
Yeah.
Yes, my lord.
Okay,
never
next.
put to challenge. Second is, my lord, misjoinder and non-joinder of parties, my lord, because there is in Rajpur, after the constitution of the VEC, there is 8 number of VMCs, though they are also smoothly
One
functioning.
second.
Yes, my lord. They are also
Now, first point is approval not challenged.
The impugn order is not challenged, not impugned in the cause title, my lord. Neither the order is annexed in the writ petition. So this is the second round of.
You have not annexed the order writ petition?
No, my lord.
Which order is that?
My lord, the order dated, my lord. The order dated 10/12/2024, my lord.
You have not annexed it?
Not annexed. Neither been put to challenge in the cause title in the writ petition.
Not here in the. Is not here in the. They have not annexed in the writ petition.
No, my lord. Neither in the cause title.
no, Lordship. This is with regards to VMC.
Otherwise, we will dismiss it.
No, Lordship. This is with regards to. I have already in my
Where is it?
petition.
Have you answered why you not challenged it?
Yes,
It might
because
be VMC. Where have you said
that
in the
impugn
petition
order
that-
is with
why
regards
have
to
you
not
said that-
not
why
with
have
regards
you
to
said-
VSC.
Why have you not said in the petition that we are not challenging this because it doesn't relate to VEC?
I have mentioned in my rejoinder. I stated that.
Where is in your writ petition?
No,
we'll go by pleadings.
Yes, ma'am.
See, because we are not challenging because this is related to VMC, my lord.
No, ma'am, this is a VEC order.
Not
Main
VSC. May I read a page it right, Lordship. This is not VMC.
Sit down, Mr. Amalan. Yes.
Kindly have my affidavit filed by the by me, my lord. Annexure 1. As per my learned senior has already read the resolution, my lord. Gram Sabha meeting, my lord. On this said Gram Sabha meeting was duly approved by the video concern, my lord, on 10 December 2024. And after filing the affidavit in the previous read, WPC number 227 of 2024, the same was withdrawn with a liberty to file afresh. Then this writ petition was filed. But in this writ petition, the said order, my lord, the impugn order, which in the prayer in the writ petition has sought for quash and set aside of the order dated 10/12/2024, neither being impugned nor being annexed in the.
It was there in the page 27 of my writ petition.
You have annexed it, but have you impugned it?
No, my lord. It has not been impugned in the cause title, my lord.
Not cause title. In the prayer?
In the prayer.
I have mentioned, I have to make a prayer also to set aside. It is there, I have annexed it also. See, in my prayer also, the please to set aside and quash the impugn order dated
the second
10/12/2024. It is there.
Yes.
Yes. The second argument is misjoinder and non-joinder of the necessary parties, my lord. Because in the Rajpur VEC, after constitution of the VEC, there is 8 number of VMCs, Village Monitoring Committee, my lord. These VMCs were under the SRES order were constituted, my lord. Because more than 200 VECs, there should be an VMC, my lord. So these are also necessary parties, President, Secretary and Women members. Third is, my lord, the after the what the petitioner council is arguing, there is no election, but as per the Gram Sabha meeting, the body was constituted on the basis of consensus, my lord, raising hands. If, my lord, they have any issues with regard to the election or selection, they could have filed a complaint before the BDO or before the DC. DC is the coordinator, who is the party in the.
Where in the rules, where in this MGR does you see? Where can you file appeal? There's a provision there.
Filing appeal, my lord.
Yes, I mean against selection, suppose if they agree. There's a provision there.
There's no appeal, my lord. They can
Not
file
appeal, they can file a complaint, yes. Where's the
my lord.
provision?
Right now, in the Manrega Act, in the backside of
Yes,
the Manrega Act.
where's the provision?
My lord, I'm little handicapped today. I don't have the Manrega Act, my lord. Right
There's
now.
a provision there.
Yes, my
for
lord.
filing complaint.
Lordship,
Filing complaint,
which
yes,
they have
my
not,
lord.
Lordship.
Where's the provision?
If there is no provision, also they can file a formal complaint because BDO is the competent authority and the.
So, but the thing is that the fact remains there was no notice.
Yes,
was the notice about the Gram Sabha meeting? Was the notice issued?
I am not aware, my lord. My learned senior, you will clarify that, but the notice, I'm not aware of that, my lord.
You're a job card holder.
Yes, I'm a job card holder. They are not denying.
You take down the petitioners who are stated to be job card holders. It's Rajpur of
Yes.
Rajpur Muslim VEC. Address is where? Which block?
My lord, Demdema.
Demdema
Demdema
CNRD block.
West Garo.
Yes, Garo Hills. Now before this court complaining that with regard to the last elections to the Village Employment Council, there was no notice to the same, no notice scheduling the same, and that the election was not. Were you present in that raising of hands?
No, I was not there. I was not even aware, Lordship.
Was not fair and transparent, as much as the same was by selection, by the raising of hands. So, Mr. P.T. Salma, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that with regard to the conduct of elections and tenure of BEC, the respondents the respondents are required to hold elections for a BEC which has a term of 3 years. In the present case, he submits the approval was granted to the Rajpur BEC wide order dated was that 10
28 20.
where is in your
This one it was page 23, my lord, that impugn order.
was no yes lecture 5
Order dated file.
yes no 10 December
10
no. Right, order dated 10 December 2024. No? Stop. Stop. Wherein is recorded that the same was where it's recorded that the members were selected as new VEC committee members by hand raising. Stop. He therefore submits that there being no notice about the elections or selections and the election procedure being adopted doubtful, the What is your prayer? That it be dissolved?
No, the prayer is to set aside this win and to fresh election.
And fresh elections
Lordship.
be called for. Next paragraph. MS NG Shilla, the C Government Advocate, on behalf of the respondents number
1, 2, 3, and 4, my lord.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Submits that the writ petitioner the writ petition the writ petition is without any substance, as much as due elections were conducted and the approval dated 10/12/2024 was as per procedure. It is further submitted that the writ petitioners, instead of airing the grievances by way of complaints before BDO, have directly approached this court to seek these directions, which are untenable. It's untenable. Further untenable. It is also contended that there are no specific guidelines which make it mandatory for the election of a VEC to be conducted in a specific manner. But what is necessary is that the genuine job card holders are to elect or select the VEC. Mr. S.K. Hassan, appearing for the private respondents 5, 6, and 7. You are the current.
It's my VEC members. Functionaries.
The 5, 6, 7 who are the current office bearers or functionary stroke office of the newly constituted VEC have submitted them. There has been no mention of the impugned order dated 10 December 2024 in the cross title of the writ petition, but the same only appears in the prayer. He also submits that the writ petition suffers from non-joinder of misjoinder and non-joinder of necessary parties. What is submission on that?
My lord, with regard to that, my lord, there is total 8 numbers of VMCs are still functioning in Raspur, my lord. Yes.
Overlooking the VEC.
Or look after the VEC.
Yes, in as
so
much
they could
as,
have made necessary
as
parties.
much as members of the village monitoring councils, which oversee the functions of the VEC, have also not been arrayed as parties. He also submits that the selection of the VEC was by due process and was arrived at the Gram Sabha meeting, whereby the new VEC members were elected by consensus by the raising of hands.
Yes, ma'am.
He therefore with that no interference is called for, and the petition is liable to be dismissed.
Ma'am.
Yes. Further counsels for the parties. From a bare perusal of the materials, it is noted that the current VC of Rajpur has obtained approval since 10th of December 2024 and is functioning, and as per submissions is functioning satisfactorily till date. Further, the submission of the senior government noted that the writ petitioner, though being a job card holder, had never approached the BDO at any point of time with regard to any complaint against the elections.
further, in these circumstances, it would be difficult to ascertain as to whether the complaints of the writ petitioner are founded on any substantial materials, inasmuch as in the usual course, on a complaint being made, the BDO concerned would conduct an inquiry as to the veracity of the complaints made by aggrieved persons. The only fact that deserves consideration, the only fact that deserves attention is that from the materials of that there is no notice of notice or schedule with regard to the holding of the meeting of job card holders to select the VEC, and it appears that the same was arrived at on a meeting of a Gram Sabha held on November 2024. And the selection was also by the hand raising of job card holders. Be that it may, though no grounds of interference have been made out, it is expected that the block development and program officers of MNRGES, at least for the sake of transparency, should ensure that notice is circulated before a meeting of job card holders is held to select the VEC, and further that the manner of election of selection should be transparent and recorded to avoid future disputes. Yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
The writ petition is accordingly disposed and closed off.
Deeply obliged.
Yes.
So let's close.